Hey there! If you have been following us since quite some time, you know that we like to drop occasional pearls of wisdom here and there. And recently we told you about how you can manage properties inside HubSpot. But what if I tell you that you can also archive these properties and do further things with them? And today we are going to tell you all about the same. In order to access properties inside HubSpot, you can click on the settings icon on the top, and here on the left side you can see that under data management you have the option called as properties. If you click on that, you would be shown all of the properties that you have inside your CRM. Now you can also archive properties inside HubSpot. That's very easy to do. Just select the property that you want to archive and maybe click on more besides it, then click on archive. And such a property can be restored within 90 days, but after 90 days it would be deleted automatically from your CRM. So I click on archive, and now this property has been archived. Now maybe I want to see where my particular property is being used before I archive it. So in order to do this, maybe choose a property, for example became a lead date. Click on the number where it shows used in, click there, and you would be able to see where this property is being used. So it's in use in 42 out of 79 contacts that we have, and this property is provided by HubSpot and it can't be edited. So guys, I hope that was easy to follow and something fun and informative. In case you like this, do let us know about this in the comments below. And if you need our help in order to solve something and you didn't understand something inside the video, please let us know. Your feedback helps us to improve and become better. And in case you need our help in order to build something awesome of your own, feel free to reach out to us for an absolutely free one-on-one consultation call wherein we will help you build the project of your dreams. And I will see you guys soon in the next video.